Hi friends, I am back with a new video on NDA 1 2017 solution and short tricks. In this video, I will show you some solution of the NDA 1 2017 maths question paper and some short tricks which you can use in the questions to simplify the questions and solve the question in few seconds only. I would insist you to see my previous videos. If you have not seen, I have given the links in the description box. You can check it over there. Okay, now moving forward in this video. Our first question is, what is the equation of the circle which passes through the points 3, -2 and -2, 0 and having its center on the line 2x -1 -3 equals to 0? For all the aspirants who have set D in the NDA 1 2017 question paper, they will be having this question as 25th number. They can check it in their question paper, and rest you have to find the question in the question paper. So first of all, I will show you how I have solved this question. For such all this question, you have to use some short tricks. I will show you. We have first, I will read the question once again. Our question is, what is the equation of the circle which passes through the points 3, -2 and -2, 0? Means we have to find the equation of the circle which passes through the 2 points. One point is 3, -2 and the other point is -2, 0. So these two points will be satisfying the equation of the required circle. So whatever the options you have to just substitute these values in all the options and you will find your perfect answer. This is one of the short trick you can use and find easily. If you don't know this short trick, you have to solve the question by substituting different equations and formulas, so on. It would be quite long, and you know that in NDA paper the time is quite less, so you have to use such short tricks. Moving to the second question, which is 26th in set D. What is the ratio in which point C, which is -2, 7 and -2, 20/7, divides the line joining the points A, -2, -2 and B, 2, -4? Answer is 3:4. Next question we see. Next question is, what is the equation of the ellipse having foci ±2, 0 and the eccentric 1/4? See, if in this question I was not remembering the formula of foci, so I have used some logic. As in the question we have given the eccentric, and in the question we have also given 4 options of the general equation of the ellipse. So using the options, we can find the eccentricity of all the 4 options, and the eccentricity of the option whose eccentricity is 1/4, we can easily find out which is our required ellipse. So if you don't know the formula of foci or anything, you have to just see what you know and use that knowledge to find the answer. Use some logic and you will definitely find some option. I have just given the formula of eccentricity of ellipse, and I have substituted the values of A and B in the equation and find out the E. The option in which E was 1/4 is your perfect answer, is the general equation of the ellipse, and the answer is x²/64 plus y²/60 equals to 1. If you just substitute the value of B and A, 64 is A and 60 is B. 60 is b square and a square is 64. If you substitute these values in the equation, you can find the values of e and it will be 1 by 4. I hope you have understand my logic. Moving to the next question. What is the equation of the straight line parallel to the 2x plus 3y plus y equals to 0 and passes through the point minus 1, 2? You can solve it by the short trick as I have shown you before. Just substitute the values in the equation and you will find out the perfect answer. The equation which satisfies this point is your required equation. And in exception case, if 2 or 3 equations substitute of the in the option 2 or 3 equations of the lines satisfy this point, that is minus 1 and 2, then a problem is arise. So for that type you have to substitute the value of minus 1, 2 in the parallel line, means 2x in this line. So you have to substitute in place of x minus 1 and in place of y you have to substitute 2, and in place of 1 you have to write x, or you can write any, you can take any constant c or anything. The value of c you have to just substitute over here. Okay, I hope you have understand. Moving forward, our next question is, if the centroid of a triangle formed by 7x, y minus 6 and 9, 10 is 6, 3, then the values of x and y are respectively. So our question says we have given 3 points and centroid of a triangle is given, which is 6, 3. So we have to find the values of x and y. So the formula of centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Okay, and which gives the x coordinate of the centroid, and for y coordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals to by 3 equals to y coordinate of centroid of y. I have find it out the x coordinate of the centroid, which is 7 plus 9 plus y by 3 equal to, we have given the centroid is 6, 3. So 6 equal to 7 plus 9 plus y by 3. We get the value y equals to 2, and in same way we can get the value of x, which is 2. So your answer is 5, 2. Moving forward, our next question is, 3-digit numbers are formed from the digit 1, 2 and 3 in such a way that the digits are not repeated. What is the sum of such 3-digit numbers? So for such question there is a short trick. I will show you. For any such question given in this format or is this type, there is a short trick that for sum of that all the numbers, that is it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers. So for that you have to remember this formula, that is sum equals to n minus 1 factorial into multiply of that numbers into n times 1, means how many numbers are there, you have to write that times 1. Okay, I will show you the example. As for in this question we have 3 numbers 1, 2 and 3. So n is equal to 3. So for the first part, that is this part, n minus 1. So here 3 minus 1 equal to 2 factorial. Then we have multiply 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. So we have write it over here 6. There are 3 numbers, so we have write 3 times 1. And then multiply this thing, these terms. This will be your perfect answer. This will solve your question in very short time. Instead of going a long way, you can solve this sum in a short trick, and you can save a lot time in the exam. I hope you have understand. If you can't, then just comment in the comment box and I will reply to you. Moving to the next sum. What is the sum of series zero point 0.3 plus 0.33 plus 0.333 plus so on? Answer is 1 by 3 into n minus 2 by 9 into 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to n into bracket close. This is our answer. I hope you have understand all the questions I have solved. If you can't, then just comment in the comment box. I will respond to you and I will try my best to understand you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. If you are an defense aspirant, I request you to subscribe my channel. I will regularly update you for all the defense updates. If you like the video, like and share to your friends so that you can help your friends to clear the NDA exam and become an cadet of NDA. Thank you.